Look, it's all about making sacrifices. Music is life, and I've chosen to live my life for music. I mean, I'm an audiophile. This is it. My pride and joy. This is, without a doubt, the only way to listen to music in the car. I mean, it sounds amazing. And I've got unlimited variety of musics to choose from. And I can listen to any genre I want. Hip-hop! Hey, hip-hop, please, hip-hop! Do you like jazz? Because it's awesome in this bus. You know? Get up! Just a little turn. Let me tell you something. You can run out of juice in your little iPod. Oh, gotta go charge it. Not me. I just pay these guys overtime. I've got the best sound quality. I've got unlimited variety. What do you got?
I wanna lose control and take it back again. I wanna find my way and then get lost again. I wanna take my time, let the stars align.
I drive a bus. I have a live band in my bus.